Hello guys, welcome to the Burping King. My name is Ryan Stannard and I am the King, the Burp King. Yes guys, I believe I have some of the biggest burps in the world actually. Let me give you a taster. Just like that, straight out. Haven't had a soda today. Seriously, I've not had a soda today. Just ignore that soda can. That one. That one. Just ignore that one. See? No soda. Anyway guys, that defines the point. I just, listen, I don't even gulp for air, I can just do it out of hand. Like that, seriously. So, you think you can compete with me? Come on, submit your videos down below. And I may, just maybe, put it into a compilation of you trying to beat my burps. Let me do a massive one for you guys. All in one. So if you think you can compete against me, submit your videos down below. Yeah, I will try and put up content as much as possible. And yeah, for now, I've been the Burping King. Peace out.